Welcome to my YouTube channel. I created this page, so now what I need to add is a call to action, a floating call to action button. I need to add it at the bottom and should stick at the bottom here. So what I will have to do is to come at the bottom here, add a section. After adding a section, I get an icon I set. For example, this section, I can set it to full width Elementor, no gap. Then I can add here a padding of around 10, bottom and top. Then I align this icon to the what? To the or I can leave it just align it to this. I can leave it at the center for a moment. Then what I can do, I change this icon into a phone. I get this icon. I get the back, I change in the background to stack. I change this one to square. I go to style. I change this one. I leave that one with the red. I come to this one, put this to white. Good. Then update this one. I can put some radius to this. Then I can size my icon. For example, I will need it to be like that. So I can add here the contact now. From there, you come to dynamic tags. Come to contact URL. And now under contact URL, click on this right. Now this right here, the type you select, either you want to link the email, telephone, SMS, WhatsApp, Skype, Messenger, Viber, Wes, Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, and Yahoo Calendar. Any of this you can link to this one and stick it. So for now, it has telephone. Then this is where you enter the telephone. For example, you can enter it the way you feel like. Either you can start with the country code, or you can just enter it with anything the way you feel it like. So when you move on this, you can see the telephone number at the bottom left of the what of the screen. So now to set it to this side, I will come to advanced. From advanced, I set to position fixed. I select fixed. I select it to orientation. Then I select at the bottom. Now is fixed at the bottom. So what I do, I come here and I select inline, then I will find it coming to the side. So to add, padding on the right side, I can come and click on the offset. Offset, I can set the offset like to 20 so that it is not attached to the what. So now there it's fine. So what I will add again, I will add a Z index of 99. Update it. So this is now your call to action. We can even add the hover effect so that when you hover on it, it gives you that look. You can put this one, change this one either to black, change this one to white, put this one to white. Then we can hover effect, can put grow, we can put shrink of any category. We can put like bulb, any you feel like. So after that, you update it. So this is how you can create your sticky call to action or floating call to action button. You can use it anywhere. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.